Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a new topic in the Terraform, that is Terraform import. So this is a very powerful tool which is used to import your infrastructure which is created manually to the Terraform state to be managed by the code. So let's say you are having a manually created EC2 resources that is not managed by Terraform. Now you want it to be managed by Terraform. So how we can do it? So we can use Terraform import. So with an existing EC2, we will import in the Terraform state file. So basically what we will be doing, whether it is an EC2 instance or it is an S3 bucket or any resource created manually. So we will be today in today's video, we will be trying to import that instance. So import in the sense we will try to bring the state of that thing into our Terraform so that it can be managed by Terraform. So those resources, after importing those resources in the Terraform state, we can manage those things with IAC as a code. So what it does? So basically Terraform import adds your state as to the state. So don't do generate code automatically. So what it doesn't do is like it doesn't generate .tf code automatically, in the sense is, so when you import your infrastructure into a Terraform, it will be included that infrastructure in your state file, but it will be not creating, let's say, code which is like resource AWS instance. This code .tf, basically we can say that main.tf, it will be not be creating automatically. So for that, that also we will discuss in the video, how to create the code using Terraform state file. That also we will be discussing in today's video. Today's video. So what we will be doing, we will be creating an EC2 manually, and those two EC2s, we will be importing it in our state file, and from that state file, we will be creating a main.tf file. So let's jump to the code session, guys. So guys, as you can see, I am here in my console. So let me refresh. So yeah, I'm having two EC2 instances, Web02 and Web1 and Web2. These are manually created EC2 instance, and these are having instance IDs. These instance ID we will be using in our Terraform import command to import these manually created EC2 instances in our Terraform state, so that we can manage them as a code. So coming to my VS Code, I have two things here. I have one main.tf, which is basically empty. I'm having a provider and a block region thing, and I'm having two resource blocks, which is having nothing. So basically, it's an empty. So we don't have any infrastructure to be managed. We want to import. So coming to this Python script, basically, it's we will be importing the state. So we will be not getting the code from the state. We will be taking some particular values and putting into our main.tf. So basically for code thing. So I have already initialized the Terraform for the time saving the time thing. So as you can see, I am in my this particular folder in my git bash. So I have already Terraform initialized, and I have keys, credentials, all those things I have configured. So in this particular folder, you can see that I have main.tf and config.py. So in the main.tf, it's a basically empty thing. We don't have any resources. So as I have initialized the Terraform, so what we will be doing, we will be trying to import the resources. So first we will go with the importing the first one, Web1 instance. So basically the command is this guys, Terraform import AWS instance dot web. So instance ID. So what we have seen. So using this command, I can import the infrastructure into my particular state file of this folder, let's say. So I have given Terraform import command. So let's wait for it to be successfully import. Once it imports, I will resume the screen. So yeah, as you can see, it's preparing the import, and I think it's still not completed. So as of now, just I have imported the first instance. Yeah, import successful. So now you can see that there will be a state file created. So let me import another one, and in detail fully we will see. So both have been imported or not. So I will paste this command. So this is for the second instance. So basically what it will be doing, it will be taking importing the second instance also in my existing terraform.tf state file. So well, let's wait for this, guys. So it will take time. It is taking time. So once it's successful, we will resume the screen. So yeah, it started the importing. So it's refreshing the state. Okay. Yeah, this also has been imported successfully. So as we can see, we are having a Terraform state file. So let me check with the Terraform state file. What is that having? So as you can see, it is having all the details of the particular instance what I have created manually. It has been successfully integrated in my state file. So state file is there, but let me check with main.tf. Is it there in that? To do cat. 30th. No, it's still like that only. So we are not having the values in that. We are having a state of our infrastructure. So for doing that state, importing the state, first what we will be doing, we will be using Terraform show command. So what it will be doing, it will be taking the state thing and it will be converting into the JSON file. So Terraform show hyphen JSON, it will be redirecting it to the state.json file. So once it completes, so it will be creating a state.json file. So that state.json file we will be taking and using a particular Python script, we will be taking those values from there and we will be putting into our main.tf. So let's see the state.tf has been created or not. Yeah, state.json has been created. So let me run the Python script. So Python 3, we should have be having the Python installed in our system. So this is the script. Let me run it. So Python 3, it is telling the Python 3 is not found. Let me check with the Python. Yeah. So easy to instance code appended to main.tf. So let me check with the main.tf now. So it's there, guys. So as you can see, but like appending that one. Okay, no issues. So as you can see that we are having the resource block has been created. AWS instance web one. So it's telling that AMI is that one, instance type, subnet ID, associate address, key name, and tag. So everything has been taken from my Terraform state and have been transferred to the code. Let's say main.tf. So this is the thing, guys. So we can manage the state from now. So the thing is that our manually created infrastructure has been taken into our infrastructure as a code. So Terraform. So let me check whether I can destroy this because it has been involved in my state. So let me check. I can even like, can I destroy it here from here? So let me check this. So it's telling that, yeah, web one and these two already declared. Yeah, let me change it within the VS code. So I have to remove this thing. I have removed. So let me again check with the Terraform destroy. I think it should work. Mm. So yeah, you can see that it had started the destroying. So it is asking yes. So basically what I'm trying to say that, so I have included those things in my IAC. So now I am able to manage those things from my Terraform infrastructure as a code. So I can able to delete those things also. So let me see, let me wait for if those have been deleted or not. Once they have been deleted, I will resume the screen. So as you can see, guys, the straw has been completed. So whatever resources what we have done this in the today's videos is we have created the resources manually. We have imported those resources into our Terraform state, and we have control them through Terraform itself. So let's say we have destroyed them. So let me cross verify in the console whether they are not, they should not be there. They should be destroyed. Yeah, they may be destroyed. Yeah, terminated. It's telling terminated. So we have achieved this thing guys in the video. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the today's video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys.